Right, let's do question 1A1. A straight line goes through P and Q. Determine the gradient of line PQ. So we have the coordinates of P and Q there. So it means the gradient of PQ, is equal to change in y over change in x. So it's going to be yq minus yp divided by xq minus the y coordinate of p. You see that? So we can just substitute there and get our marks. So this is like 17 minus 9 divided by 6 minus 2. And then what we get? So the gradient of PQ is equal to 17 minus 9, that's 8. And then 6 minus 2, that is 4. So it means the gradient of the gradient of PQ is 2. Right, you can also use this. It's not like we have to say the coordinates of Q minus the coordinates of P only. You can even have your y coordinate of P minus your y coordinate of Q divided by the x coordinate of P minus the x coordinate of Q. You can do that, and then we get that the gradient of PQ will be 9 minus 17, which is 9 minus 17 divided by 2 minus 6, which is 2 minus 6. And then we get that the gradient of PQ is equal to 9 minus 18, that is negative 8 over negative 4, which will still give you 2. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do there.